Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this CAT device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to get this app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Over here, in order to use it, you need to choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. Then close Launcher app and go into Devices settings. In them, you need to click on Apps section, click on Default Apps and Home app. Lastly, just tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!